Welcome to DJ's Pristine Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Mercedes A-Class. It's the diesel sport automatic, quite rare being the auto, finished in beautiful electric blue. It's not been polished yet, we've just quickly washed it off. It's the A180 CDI. It's a lovely electric blue, as you can see. It's just going to be serviced, just going to be MOT'd. So the boot area is in lovely condition. Got a lovely full leather interior in this one as well.
The on the way, but let's get the travel and the weather. Here's great.
Electric windows. So we've got satellite navigation on this car as well. Started up, it's done 103,579 miles. Reverse camera.